Oral communication. Ask the students to role play the dialogue. It's page 51. SLO is number 10. Umar. Assalamu alaikum. Ali. Wa alaikum assalam. Umar. What do you do in the evening? Ali. I like to watch cartoons. Umar. Wow, exciting. Which cartoon do you like? Ali. I like to watch Tom and Jerry. Umar. Good cartoon. Which character do you like the most? Ali. I like Jerry because he is tiny but so naughty. Do you like it? Umar. Yes, he is. I like Tom and Jerry too, but I don't like Jerry. Ali. You mean you like Tom? Why? Umar. Yes, I like Tom because he is innocent and Jerry always teases him a lot. Ali. I don't like Tom. Let's go and watch its new episode. Umar. Yes, sure.